Thanks for joining us for our hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro comes in silver and white color options with matching charging cases. Let's start with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in the silver color option. As a more premium product, the Buds 3 Pro come with blade lights, which not only light up, but also let you control the earbuds by pinching or swiping up or down the blade. The Buds 3 Pro are canal-type earbuds for those who prefer a more immersive sound. Hence, it comes with removable silicone ear tips. The Buds 3 Pro features enhanced two-way speakers with a planar tweeter and dual amplifiers for precise and crystal-clear sound. It also supports ultra-high-quality audio with a doubled sampling rate for higher fidelity, but that's limited to compatible Samsung devices using the proprietary Samsung seamless codec. As you can see, the earbuds are color-coded, so you can identify which is left and which is right. The color guides also make it easier to replace the earbuds in their charging case. Awkwardly, the charging case's USB port is located on its base, which means you have to lay it on its side to recharge. Now, let's take a look at the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in the white color option. The microphones in the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro analyzed both internal and external sound in real time to enhance sound and cancel out noise. The blade lights are decidedly more prominent against the white body. Samsung says the Buds 3 Pro will last about 6 hours with active noise cancellation enabled and up to 7 hours with active noise cancellation disabled. The charging case adds 20 to 23 hours of additional battery life. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds are IP57 dust and water resistant, so you can wear them out in the rain. But the charging case itself isn't water resistant. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 also comes in silver and white color options with matching charging cases. The Galaxy Buds 3 are open-type earbuds with a single dynamic driver. It lacks blade lights but supports active noise cancellation as well as ultra-high-quality audio. It also supports the proprietary Samsung seamless codec, which allows for a doubled sampling rate for higher fidelity. The Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds are also IP57 dust and water resistant, so you can wear them out in the rain. But the charging case itself isn't water resistant. Finally, this is the Galaxy Buds 3 in the white color option. The Galaxy Buds 3 have slightly smaller internal batteries, which will last up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation. It will last up to 6 hours with active noise cancellation disabled. Its charging case adds between 19 to 24 hours of additional battery life. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. Please share this video and our article with those who are interested in the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro earbuds. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.